SNMP information. It stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. It is used to exchange management information between network devices. One can collect device-specific information if one has the SNMP public community string known. They are like a user ID or password that allows access to devices. If one has access to SNMP private community string, they can change the configuration as well. The tools that we'll be looking here includes 161 and BRA. Let's have a demonstration of each one of them one by one. Let us have demonstration of 161 tool. We visit the github.com and search for a tool called as 161. Here is the link for fast SNMP scanner. Here we go to the code section and copy the URL. I open a command prompt terminal and clone the repository. It started cloning the repository for 161. Once I am done with that, I'll go to that directory and list the file contents. As you can see, I found a file called as install. I opened that file and found that here is a way to install it. Essentially a C compiler used to compile the 161.c file. I execute that command and we are ready to go. We'll execute the tool 161 and here are the options. -c is file with community names to try out for. -i the files with target host. -p specifies an alternate destination SNMP port. -w for wait for n number of milliseconds. We'll first create a file for community strings. Let's name that file as community.txt. Let's populate it with couple of entries. And save the file. Let's create similar file for host name entries. The file name is host.txt. Let's mention the number of IPs that we need to scan for SNMP. I mention it here the entire subnet with a net mask of 24. I save that file and execute with -c for community string file. Here the file name as we just created community.txt, -i for the number of host. It started to scan. As you can see, it has found the public pass as one of the community string and provided us with the relevant information that it gathered from SNMP. We will try with a tool called as BRA. -h for help, -2 is for SNMP version 2 agent, -d is to wait microsecond after sending each packet, -p wait for how many milliseconds between subsequent passes, -f is for loading queries from a file, and here is the syntax. Here is the rather query format. OID is object identifier and the examples are already mentioned. Let's clear the screen and execute the tool BRA followed by the community string @ the IP address of the host followed by the OID, and we execute it. Finally, we are able to find out certain information like the computer user, the computer name, and interface specific information such as which network card is installed